Hi, welcome to Frank's presentation about a new advertising campaign of a soft drink company. After this presentation, you will have a better understanding to the future of the company. Firstly, I will talk about our past failure and the lessons we learned from the experience. Then, we will analyze the target group within two separate fields, the age and the income. And there will be detailed elaboration in each part. And there will also be corresponding advertising strategies at each section. And finally, there will be a cumulative summary to conclude the target group and give some sample target people. So shall we start? So firstly, our past failure. If you look at this figure on the left, you can see that our target group from the last time was the people in age group 25 to 54. However, after we did further research, we found out that this is the age group that has the most respondents. Therefore, because the people in this age group is significantly higher than other age group, as you can see from the table displayed on your right, it appears as a target group on the figure. Therefore, no matter the result of other age group displayed, this would be the result. So this is the wrong way to analyze. Okay, so now here is the correct analysis of the age group. After calculating the percentage of the people that have been previously purchasing the product within each age group, we can see that older people tend to purchase the product the most previously. Therefore, what should we do? So as you might observe from the previous slides, our target group are the people within age 55 years old or older. So for strategy, we can set up lower prices and provide more discounts when it comes to big holidays like Christmas, Thanksgiving, or Easter, when they tend to gather around with their families. Or we can advocate more advertisements on some traditional sources like television and newspaper, where the older people tend to view the most. So this, meanwhile, represents that we shouldn't waste too much time on other social medias like Instagram, Facebook, or some other modern applications that the elderly rarely look at. So secondly, I'm going to talk about the factor of income. So in this case, we pick two extreme income groups. The top 20%, where the income quintile is 5, and the bottom 20%, where the income quintile is 1. So the total population of those two income groups are about the same, as you can see from the chart above. And you can see that the people who feel neutral to the product in the group are roughly the same. So you can check the bar graph here. So the biggest difference is their positive and negative attitude towards the product. So as you can observe from the figure, the lower income group tend to have a larger portion of people who show negative emotion, like strongly dislike or dislike. In contrast, the higher income group tend to have a larger portion of people who show positive emotions, like strongly like and like to the product. So what does this mean? So therefore, the data tells us that our other target group is the people in higher income group. So besides giving discount and lowering the prices at their favorite holidays, we should probably also generate further investigations to know about their opinions to the product or like their taste. For example, we can ask them about their favorite flavors of the drink. Or in other ways, we can say what is their favorite property of the product. And we can therefore involve those elements into our future development of the product. Also, similarly, we can ask them if they have any complaints about the product. For example, like, is the product too sweet, or if it's too bland, or something like that. so that we can also try to address those elements in the future development as well. So in conclusion, our target group are the people that is higher income and at the age range 55 years old or older. So besides setting up discount or lowering prices at special holidays and events, and that is a strategy working for both target group, for higher income groups specifically, we need to do further investigations to know about their opinions about the products. And for the elderly, we need to put more advertisements on traditional sources like newspapers and televisions so that they can casually look at the advertisement while they're reading the newspapers or watching televisions with their grandchildren. A sample person would be some retired entrepreneurs at Upper East New York City, right? Or you can picture someone like Bill Gates or Tim Cook, who are all the people that are in higher income group and in range of 55 years old or older. Or some other sample person could be a tenure professor at universities because all those peoples are within the requirements of our target people. So this is my presentation. Thank you very much for listening.